I am in Amex Mall, Gurgaon right now, and I just got a call, a very interesting call from one of the persons. The guy is an intern at McKinsey and Company, and he did his post graduation from Indian Institute of Management, Mumbai. Now it is called IIM Mumbai, and he said that I really got your number from someone, and do you help in hair growth? I said yes, we have a brand Identity Food, which is doing wonderful job these days. Many people have grown hairs with it, and many of the plastic surgeons, dermatologists are using these days Identity Food for patients who had hair fall, hair loss, and they are getting their hair replenished. Even for the success of hair transplants, they are using our brand Identity Food. He said, do you give hairs in rent? क्या आप रेंट पे हेयर देते हो? So I was surprised. What type of question is that? I said I didn't understand your question. What does hairs on rent? So he said that the previous drug which I was on, minoxidil, the hairs grew, but that was a part of the time he was on minoxidil. जैसे ही वो minoxidil से बाहर गया, जैसे ही उस minoxidil छोड़ी, उसका hair growth खत्म हो गया, and he was back to square one. So he asked me, will your drug work? I said yes, it's a natural product. It is extracted from the cow's milk. It's bovine cholesterol. It is not a chemical. It is free of side effects. It does not get you the side effects of minoxidil. And you can very well trust, because it is trusted by plastic surgeons, dermatologists all across India and globe. You must go for it. So I said, but what is the reason why you want to grow hairs first of all? So बोलता है कि sir, I want to grow hairs because I am just on the marriage age. I want to get married, and I am losing all those brownie points which I should get because of my hairs. So if you help me, then my match is going to be better. So I said, do please take Identity Food. और मुझे लगता है आने वाले समय में हम शादी.com और जीवनसाथी.com की तरह एक identityfood.com भी बनाएंगे, जहाँ पर वो ऐसे लोग who are getting troubled because of hair loss, who are not getting married because of hair loss, are losing their partners because of hair loss, they will all get settled in life. Thank you and all the best. Regards, Identity Food.